This is Tim Calling, coming at you from Senior Leads Boost with another Tuesday Tips video. In today's tip, I'm going to be talking about an increasingly frequent problem that is actually something you just have to manually watch out for all the time. And it has to do with fraudulent, spammy reviews being posted to company pages on Facebook for services that have nothing to do with those pages' line of business. And in fact, they're almost always, it seems like, for probably fraudulent cyber coin or cyber currency businesses. And so here's an example. This is a home healthcare agency website, or rather Facebook page on Facebook, company page. And the review in question, that is just a complete spammy piece of junk, is this one right here. This is by somebody who is trying to promote a some kind of a cyber currency investment scam or scheme. I would speculate that this is some kind of a fraud, but I don't really know. But it has nothing to do with the business that this company is engaged in. And the problem is, when you don't pay attention to your Facebook reviews, you start to get these, and they start to increase. And they just, frankly, make your reviews tab or page on your Facebook company page look silly. So the big story is you just have to continually monitor the reviews on your Facebook business page. One other tip about this: if you want to, you could actually, there's a way that you can hide the reviews page on your Facebook company page. And honestly, I almost actually think that's a good idea. Reviews on Facebook, for at least for senior care companies, aren't very meaningful. And so they don't really help you get more business in most cases, in my experience. I would recommend you seriously consider just hiding the reviews page on your Facebook company page. Anyway, so that's the tip for this week. I hope this is helpful. Have a great week. I look forward to seeing you again next time. If you have any questions about your Facebook page, or in particular really about your senior care business online marketing needs, we'd love to talk to you about that. Please contact us using the contact info at the end of this video. Have a great day and a great week. Thanks. Bye.